Welcome to another episode of Grubmasters. I'm John, this is Carl, and today we're doing trash can pizza. This is a video we've wanted to bring to you guys for a really long time. You saw the episode where Carl burned out the can, and I know that was one of our more thrilling episodes, but it was informative. This is that very can, and it's got a few thousand pizza miles on it at this point. We tried to bring this video to you last summer, and it just absolutely poured on us. I mean, torrential downpour just as we slide the pizzas in. Came out of no place. The pizzas were still good. I mean, we were committed. We made the pizzas. We had to slap pans on them and use umbrellas and the whole thing, but the video was just not up to our standards. So here we are again. We're reset. You know, it's admittedly a few months later, so this is long overdue. Carl, tell us a little bit about your creation.
So, you know, you probably saw our trash can turkey video, and Scouts and Scout Leader has been cooking in trash can turkeys for quite a while. So we thought, why can't we cook pizza in a trash can? So we came up with this contraption. Truth be told, this is actually the second version of it. We had another one earlier that didn't work out as well, and we ended up with this.
This thing is just genius. I mean, you could go buy a pizza oven, and those have their place in the backyard. They're probably pretty amazing. This is just such a conversation piece. When you roll this out, you bring it to a camp out, I mean, people are going to be talking to you
just
about
the name, trash can pizza.
Right. So
it's going to draw some attention.
All right. Tell me a little bit about the door and the racks and how we're going to actually cook these pizzas.
So it's as we talked about, it's a burned out trash can. It's sitting on a lid. We're going to give you all the information on this. It's got some legs on the bottom that are some brackets for holding a 4x4 post. Simpson makes those structural brackets. It's got a door that's been cut out of the garbage can. I burned, as you know, the can before I started fabricating it because that would have created problems with the hinges and the pop rivets and all. But I plunge cut with a Sawzall with a metal cutting blade, and then I used a saber saw or jigsaw to be able to cut out the door. You'll notice these nubs on the side. These are actually for U-bolts. U-bolts act as the supporting bracket to hold the
so
grates.
They're like this.
Correct.
The grates are really solid.
So within this are two Weber grates, 17.5-inch grates. You can get them through Amazon. And you may be able to see the U-bolts, and they just act as a nice little shelf for these grates.
Right. So we have two racks. We'll be kind of rotating the pizzas through to get a good even cook throughout. And today's not so much about the pizza itself. I mean, we've got some fine pies over there. We'll show you the pictures of them, but it's not a recipe episode, really. It's more of kind of a gear and kind of a crazy kitchen gadget type of episode. So we just want to show you how fast we roll these pizzas through there and show you the final product.
So on the back of this trash can, inside, protected by a tuna fish can, actually, we've got a gas grill thermometer. We're just a little bit over 500. We opened up the door to bring it down. This particular oven cooks perfectly at about 500 degrees. We're going to start at the bottom rack, and we're going to move it up to the top rack to crisp it up nice on the top, and then we'll slide another one on the back. So grab one and let's get going. So we figure we've cooked about 65 pizzas, and John will show an outtake of one of the pies did a backflip. Was it a backflip or a front flip?
It was a nice little,
right onto the snow.
Quarter
but
turn.
I got to tell you, besides the crunchy parts, it was actually pretty good.
We ate it. We didn't care.
So let's check on our 6th pie.
This is our last pizza. This is the cheese pizza. It's got to be getting pretty close. Yeah, I would call that done. That's perfect color. Crust looks good. All right, this is the hard part. Which one do we cut?
I think we got to go with the shrimp. We got 2 of them.
Let's do shrimp. We'll do the shrimp.
I think that gives us enough.
Perfect. Nice little slice. Thank you. Oh, this is nice and warm in my hand.
Cheers.
All right, cheers.
Wow. The pesto.
This is so good. And we're probably, it's a cold day today, so we're averaging about, what, 8 to 9 minutes a pie. Little, you know, in the summertime, we were doing about 6 or 7 minutes to a pie. We're trying to maintain 500 best that we could. Added some logs.
Key thing is keep checking on the pies. Figure out what time it's taken, depending on the weather conditions and your fire.
You just got to babysit it, rotate them around, and you're going to come out with good stuff. Hey, this was a lot of fun. Thank you, Carl. I know, I love the fact that you're this insane. This is great fun. And get out there and cook.
I want a credit!